I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing App Center to stop. Open Task Manager and end any App Center process so files aren't locked. Once done, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Apps and Features, and search for App Center. This is the cleanest uninstall route. Make sure you have administrator rights. They're required to remove program folders. Also note the install path shown in the app entry, because you'll need it later to remove leftover files and confirm the app is gone. You now perform the uninstall itself. Click Uninstall in Apps and Features and follow prompts. If that option isn't available, use Control Panel Programs and Features and uninstall there. After the installer finishes, make sure to delete leftover folders at the noted install path and in %appdata% to remove user data. Then run a trusted cleanup tool, or, if comfortable, manually inspect the registry for App Center keys and delete them. This prevents phantom entries and stale startup items. Finally, you finish by rebooting and confirming App Center no longer appears in Task Manager, Startup, or Apps and Features. If the uninstall failed or produced errors, run Windows Troubleshooter for programs, or use the Apps Bundled Uninstaller from the original install folder. Make sure to reinstall then uninstall if files were corrupt. Reinstalling restores missing components so the uninstaller can run properly. If things still go wrong, note the exact error, capture logs, and seek help with those details to avoid repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.